Look at our young nowadays. How many youngs they are committing suicide nowadays? Why? When the people are thinking that maybe they are just nakam ashik, it's not just related or limited to the nakam ashik. There is a biblical reason behind that, and that is a generation gap. Now, in today's era, in today's time, the parents, they have no clue to how to deal with their kids. Trust me, they have no clue. Why? Because they are dealing their kids according to the mentality which they adopted in the radio time, in that era, that is 80s and 90s or before that. This youth in this current era is very diversified. They are something else. You have to understand their needs. You have to understand their feelings, their emotions, what exactly they want. They are not just here to go to the university, college, or school and just do something, just do some work. No, they want to contribute something. They want to be productive. They want to contribute something towards the society, towards their family. But the problem is this generation gap. I think, I deliver so many lectures with the youth, and the only question which I'm getting with in each and every training, that is, my parents don't understand me. It's not just a random question. It's a very consecutively asked question from in my sessions. My parents, they don't understand me. When I go home, I want to talk to someone. There is no one to talk to. There is no one who can understand me. There is no one who can understand my feelings. I want to share a lot of things with them. But they don't know. Parents, dear parents, please listen to your kids. Listen to your children. They are your loved ones. They want you to listen to them.